Let's walk through every built-in way to take screenshots on a Mac, fast and clean. To capture the entire screen, press Command, Shift, and 3. You'll see a brief shutter effect and the image is saved instantly. To capture only part of the screen, press Command, Shift, and 4. Your cursor turns into a crosshair. Click, drag to select the area you want, and release to capture it. To grab a specific window, press Command, Shift, and 4. Then tap the spacebar. The cursor becomes a camera. Hover over a window, click once, and it's captured with a clean shadow. For more control, press Command, Shift, and 5. The screenshot toolbar appears with options for full screen, windows, selections, and screen recording. After any capture, a thumbnail pops up in the corner. Click it to crop, draw arrows, or highlight details. All screenshots save automatically as files named Screenshot 2026 on your desktop. Master Mac screenshots